Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about parental control. And in this video, I will show you on how to stop supervision on family link group in parental control. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your parental control app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and tap on this three dots at the top. Go ahead and click on stop supervision. Next thing you want to do, here we go, stopping supervision as consequence. If you stop supervision, your parent will be notified and any supervision devices will be locked. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on I understand that if I stop supervision, my parent will be notified and my supervision device will be locked. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on stop supervision right here. Welcome back to this video. In less than 1 minute, the phone is going to be unlocked again. But bear in mind, when you are trying to stop supervision on your phone like this, it happens like this. Just have to make sure you exercise the patience of 24 hours that Google is going to lock the phone before you can continue to have full access. But during the lockdown of the phone by Google, you will still have access to make calls and receive calls. So if you have any missed call on your phone, just swipe down right here and then you will see all the missed call on your phone. You can call them back at the same time. You can, if you have any SMS, you can as well reply. But the main features and the main function of the phone is not going to work. So let's see when so just like what you see right now, it has fully completed 24 hours of the phone being locked. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on close right here. And then let's wait for the moment. Now the phone is back and then the Google supervision with family parental control has been completely removed from the device. So you can continue to use your phone without any stress. It's that simple. So this is how to stop supervision of family link on your devices. More tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.